What's up YouTubers, in today's video we will unboxing a thermal rifle scope. So this is the product box, it's marked with optical device. Let's open the box. Here is the user menu. And this is the main role of today's unboxing video. MAGA STRKVIN KTS-652 thermal rifle scope. The build quality is so great. And this is the microfiber cleaning cloth. This cloth can be used to clean lens or delicate surface. And there is an accessory which can help you install this thermal rifle scope on your weapon. And there are some screws and there is a screwdriver. This is a USB charging cable which can be used to transfer your data. And this is a USB Type-C charger. This is all the things you will get after you buying this product. This is a quick unboxing video. We will test the basic functions of this thermal rifle scope. This is where you can insert or install the battery. I have already installed the battery. And this is the power button. There are also 3 different buttons positioned here. And there are some electronic zoom buttons. And this is the menu button. So we will press this button. I will show you some videos recorded by this thermal sight, so you will have the impression of the optical performance of this thermal sight. If you enjoyed this quick unboxing video, just give us a like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave your questions on the comment section. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.